I really believe that there is a balance between empathy and efficiency, where there can be a really excellent result that meets the needs of the business, but also meets the needs of the team that is working on the front lines with customers.
I can't predict the future, but I think at minimum, we're going to see roles and responsibilities change within customer-facing organizations. I don't think it's as much a conversation about replacement, but more kind of aiding and cohabitation.
What it can assist with is transactional conversations. It can help you reset your password. It can help you gather the right information that you need in order to transfer you to a live agent. That's going to make the lives of my support specialists easier. It's going to make it easier for them to solve the problems that our customers have, and it's going to make it easier for us to understand those problems too.
I've always been quite nervous of bots because we want to deliver a personal service. What I've seen in the last 6 months is we can use AI to enhance that personal service.
AI is already at the center of our customer experience. By having a very well-developed knowledge base, we're able to utilize that as the foundation of what feeds into our AI self-service solution that is presented to our customers.
This is a game changer for me because I use Zendesk all the time and my team is gonna love this. At first it was a little bit intimidated, but now it's like, oh my goodness, this is awesome.